Welcome back. Today it's a G to G. I'm going to be making a Haitian trap beat. My favorite tempo is always 130 BPM. Today I'm going to be making a beat called how to make a Haitian trap beat. Now I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos you will get notified. This is how I'm going to launch my FL Studio. I'm going to put my mouse like this, right click and just press open. I'm going to wait for it to load and open for me to start programming my beat. Now I've opened my FL Studio and this is my FL Studio. I'm going to pick my plugin. I'm going to pick Citrus and put my mouse like this here. Left click, hold it and turn the mouse wheel to channel 5, and this is my mixer and this is channel 5. Now I'm going to click on the plugin like this, click here and click on preset. As you can see on my screen, these are different presets, different sounds. So I'm going to pick a nice sound that sounds very good to start creating my Haitian trap beat. Now I've tested my preset. I'm going to use this one because it's sounding very good. I've put it right to channel 5. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. This melody does not sound very good, so I'm going to pick another preset again. Voila, this is a perfect one. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Right click, piano roll. I open my piano roll. I'm going to program my beats now like this. This is the first bar, so I'm just programming, placing the notes where it belongs. This is all about music theory and the way I'm programming my notes. As you can see, I'm skipping some lines, dropping them up and down. If you don't know music theory, maybe you can drop it here, and that's no good. Since I know music theory, I'm just skipping some lines, dropping my notes like this. As you can see, I've created this bar and number second bar. I'm going to highlight it, copy it right to bars number 8 like this. I'm going to left click, hold it, highlight it like this, highlight it and press Ctrl and B to copy it right to bars number 8, and that's it. I'm going to play back my notes. Now I'm going to pick another second beat again to make the loops 2 melody loops. Now I'm going to pick this one and I'm going to pick this FL keys. I'm going to left click, hold it, turn the mouse wheel right up channel 6. I'm going to program this beat like this. I'm just going to drop the notes like this. Now let me just play it. I'm putting my bass notes. Now I'm going to mix my melodies using a Fruity parametric EQ2 in both the first beat and the second beat, and this is it. I'm going to just click like this, come here where there's slot 1, I'm going to click like this, the Fruity parametric EQ2, and this is my Fruity parametric EQ2. I'm just going to play back a bit and start manipulating it. The next step is I'm going to add a Fruity reverb too. Now I'm going to program my hi-hats like this. This is how I'm going to program my hi-hat. First of all, I'm going to turn this one off and program my hi-hat like this. Like this. This is how my hi-hat is going to sound. I'm going to program my hi-hat like this. Like this. That's it. Now I've created 2 bars pattern of my hi-hat. I'm going to Control B and copy right to bars number 8 and press Control A and pitch it up. That's it. Now I'm going to create my hi-hat like this. I'm going to create my hi-hat. Now I'm going to drop in my kick, start programming my kick. Now I'm going to use this one. This is how my kick is going to sound. That's it. I'm going to right click. Now I've created my kick. The next step is I'm going to boost my kick here. This is the most important thing. I'm going to click on my kick. This is a boost knob, also called the boost icon. I'm going to click on it like this and pitch it up, and this is the main source. Now hear the beats. Now the next step is I'm going to click on my playlist here where there's part 1. I'm just going to right click and come here and play split by channel. As you can see, I've split by channel and everything I've lined up on the left corner on my screen. I'm just going to click on my kick like this and click on my playlist, click on the hi-hat, drop on my playlist. This is a simple way for you to do it. Click on my snare and click on my playlist. In the first melody, I'll click on it and click on my playlist like this. Click on the FL keys and click on the. Now hear the way it sounds. The next step is I'm going to press Ctrl and A and copy it to make the beat longer. Then I'm going to chop it off, arrange the beat for an intro and outro. Now I'm going to copy, arrange it like this, left click, hold it like this, Control and B. That's it. I'm going to arrange my beat like this. I'm going to arrange my beat here. I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove everything like this. The next step is I'm going to spice it up by putting a hi-hat here. Now I'm going to spice up my beats like this. I'm going to put up a hi-hat here, put a hi-hat here, and put a hi-hat here. Now let's listen to the full Haitian trap beat from the intro to outro. Let's go. Now this is the outro. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell below so anytime I drop new videos you will get notified.